In the previous video, we had learned about, we had just recalled some types of numbers. About integers we learned, and all the importance of integers, comparison of integers we learned. Now, we are going to learn addition of integers, which you have already learned in 6th standard. So, let us just recall the revision of 6th standard. So, addition of integers. You have got two rules of addition of integers only. Rules I am not going to write because orally I will repeat. Now, see here example. Suppose it is -2 plus -3. Now, here this is equal to, both the numbers have the same sign. First rule. Both the numbers have same sign, then we will add the numbers. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 and put the same sign. That is the rule. If both the numbers have same sign, add and put the same sign. Second example, suppose it is +8 plus 2. Again both the numbers have same sign. We'll add the numbers. 8 plus 2 is 10 and put the same sign. Third example, suppose -5 plus -2. Both the numbers have same sign. Add and put the same sign. So it will be -7. Fourth example, -2 plus -9. Both the numbers have same sign. Add and put the same sign. +3 plus 6. Here also both the numbers have same sign. Add and put the same sign. Now 6th example. From here we'll change. Here 1 to 5 we have used only one row. Now for the second one, let us suppose the second rule, -5 plus suppose 7. Here both the numbers have different sign. You can see this is a negative integer, this is a positive integer. So when we have in this form, then apply the second rule, that is, if both the numbers have different sign, subtract the numbers. That is, you have to subtract the smaller number from the greater one. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. But which is greater? 7 is greater, so put this sign. It's having the sign as plus sign, so put plus sign. 7th example. Suppose +9 -3. Both the numbers have different sign. Subtract the numbers and put the sign of the greater number. 9 minus 3 is 6. Sign of the great number is plus. 8th example, -10 both the numbers have different sign. Subtract the numbers. 10 minus 6 is 4. Sign of the greater number is minus sign. -12 plus 8. Here again both the numbers have different sign. Subtract the numbers. 12 minus 8 is 4. Put the sign of the greater number minus. 10th example. Suppose here again both the numbers have different sign. Subtract the numbers and put the sign of the greater number. So 18 minus 2 is 16. Greater number here So its sign is plus sign. So these are some examples of addition of integers. Now suppose example plus 9 and plus 0 is there. Then here 0 is neither positive nor negative, we know it. Yes. Therefore, it is equal to plus 9. And suppose minus 15 is given, plus here 0 is given, then also here it will be minus 15 only. Yes. Now 13th example, suppose 0 is given, plus here minus 2, then also it is equal to minus 2. With 0 we add, it will be the same integer. Then 14th example, 0 plus 7, again 0 plus 7 is equal to 7 only, plus 7 only. 15th one, suppose plus 0 is given, both the numbers, same example I have repeated, 13. So here it is equal to plus 30. So in this way we have learned addition of integers. Now we are going to learn subtraction of integers. All this also already you have learned in 6th standard. We have got two methods. For example, see, suppose if I take, we are learning subtraction. So minus sign will come in here, minus 3. Yes. This is an example. For the first method, we open the brackets, yes, of these integers, and then we'll apply the rules of addition only. Here what we do is that second number is, here the sign is changed and then again addition, same rules is applied. Now look here. Open the brackets. Outside the bracket no sign is there, means it's plus. Plus to plus, plus 2 only. Yes. Minus into minus, here we apply the multiplication of signs. Minus into minus you already learnt in 6th standard. Minus into minus, minus into minus is equal to plus. Plus into plus is equal to plus. Minus into plus is equal to minus, or minus into plus is equal to minus 1. So this is the rules of multiplication. Yes. So to recall this, I have written it here. Now we'll go to minus into minus, it is plus. Now we'll apply the same rules of addition. Both the numbers have same sign. Add and put the same sign. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So it is plus 5. We can write, or if we don't write also the sign, then also it indicates that it is plus 5. Then second example. The same example when we do it with the second method. Now second method, all listen here. This one we have to change the sign, we have to convert it into addition form. So this one will be the same as it is. Here inside the bracket plus this minus sign will change into plus, and this minus sign also will change into plus. Now apply addition rules. Here addition, it is addition of integers now. Both the numbers have same sign, add and put the same sign. So we get plus 5. Yes. Now example 2. Suppose minus 7 minus 8. Here we open the brackets. So this one will be minus itself. Plus into minus is minus. Here minus into minus, this is plus 8. Now both the numbers have different sign. So subtract the numbers and put the sign of the greater number. So 8 minus 7 is 1. Here great number is 8. So its sign is plus 1. Yes. Now same example when we write, do it with the second method. Minus 7 minus in the bracket minus 8. Here minus 8, this one will be as it is. Minus 7 will be as it is. Here this minus sign and here this sign also will change. Minus will convert to plus and this also minus will convert to plus. Now we have got it in the addition form. So again apply the same rule of addition. Both the numbers have different sign. Subtract the numbers and put the sign of the greater number. So it is plus 1. Now third example. Suppose now open the bracket. Here nothing is MS plus sign. Plus into minus, minus. Minus 5. Minus into plus, it is minus 9. Now we will apply rules of addition. Both the numbers have same sign. Add and put the same sign. So 9 plus 5 is 14. Both the numbers have same sign. Add and put the same sign. The second method with the same example, minus 5 minus, here inside the bracket, plus 9. So here minus 5 first bracket will remain as it is. We have converted it into addition form. So this here plus sign. Here inside the bracket plus is there. So make it minus. Here both the sign must be changed. Now apply rules of addition. Both the numbers have same sign. Add and put the same sign. So it is minus 14. Both the rules we get the same answer. Now look at this. Plus 5, here minus, we are subtracting plus 5 and plus 8. Open the bracket. Plus into plus is plus only. Plus 5. Plus into minus into plus is minus 8. Here both the numbers have different sign. Subtract them and put the sign of the greater number. 8 minus 5 is 3. Sign of the greater number is minus 3. Fourth one, with the second method, same example, plus 5 minus in the bracket plus 8. So here we are changing it in the addition form. It is plus 5. Minus will change to plus and inside the bracket minus plus will change to minus 8. Now apply the rules. Both the numbers have different sign. Subtract them. 8 minus 5 is 3 and put the sign of the greater number minus sign. Fifth example. Now open the bracket. Here plus is there. Plus into plus is plus 9. Minus into minus is plus 2. Brackets are open. Now here both the numbers have same sign. Add and put the same sign. 9, 10, 11. So it is plus 11. Then here when we come with the second method, plus 9 minus in the bracket minus 2. This is in the bracket plus 9. Here sign will change. This is plus Inside the bracket again, this is minus means it will be plus 2. Now both the numbers have same sign. Add and put the same sign. So it is plus 11. So in this way we have got for subtraction two methods.